one of the rarest birds worldwide, the northern bald ibis. 400 years ago, the species became eradicated in Central Europe. A European Life project helps them to return. The Waldrapp team has found ways to reintroduce them as migrating birds. Chicks hatched in zoos are hand-raised by foster parents and are accustomed to an ultralight aircraft. In autumn, they follow the aircraft with their foster parents sitting in it to their wintering area in Tuscany. Later, they return as sexually mature birds to the breeding area in the northern foothills of the Alps in order to breed. They are the founders of a new migrating northern bald ibis population. In late summer, the offspring follows the experienced migrating birds to the south, without any human help. The project proves to be successful. A growing number of northern bald ibis migrate between breeding area and wintering area on their own. The whereabouts of the freely flying birds are well known. Every animal carries a GPS transmitter on its back, which regularly transmits the current position. Thus, every bird can be monitored closely during migration. The monitoring made it also possible to convict a poacher who had shot 2 northern bald ibis. With the help of an app, which was exclusively designed for this purpose, people interested in the northern bald ibis can track the current position of the animals and thus follow their flyway. The app is also useful for finding and watching the birds on site. Northern bald ibis are not very shy and totally harmless. They are hamerophiles that mainly feed on worms and grubs. It's up to us all to give the northern bald ibis a second chance in Europe.